chances are, if you're watching this video, it's because when you started your Lexus, you saw a sign like this or like this pop up. And so basically what you're going to have to do is change your key fob battery. But lucky for you, this is super fast, and I'm going to show you how to do it here in all of like 2 minutes. Here, David, come close. So all you're going to want to do is, you see this little, what would you call this, David? This little, I don't know, little switch sticking out. All you want to do is push it like this and remove your key, and this will release the valet key. Then, as you can see in here, there's a little ridge built in for you to stick this little valet key in, right? All you're gonna want to do is stick the valet key in here and twist it. Pops open your battery, right? Your battery will be on the other side of this circuit board, and as you can see, it is a 1632 battery, like this. That's what you're gonna need. So as I showed you, you open up the key, you see this circuit board, and on the other side of it is where the battery is. Now I just propped it out using scissors. I really don't want to do that again, but basically you want to be really careful not to break any of these tabs. It's not a big deal if you do, but you want to try to avoid it as much as you can. And then all you're going to want to do is open up your new battery. There it is. Usually they have a sticker or something on them. Nope. And you're just going to want to pop it right back in. All right. Okay, so once you got the battery in there, all you're going to want to do, super simple, just snap the key fob closed, right? Just like that, and slide your valet key back in. All right, guys, that's all there is to it. I hope this helped you guys.